Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create a text reveal effect in CapCut. So let's get into it. Let's start by opening CapCut on your PC and creating a new project. Once CapCut opens up on the screen, import the video you want to use by going to the Media tab and clicking Import. Select your file and click Open. Once the video is imported, drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Before starting the process, let's adjust the video. Now it looks perfect, and to reveal text, we need to add some text. Navigate to the Text tab on the top left menu and drag the default text box onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Increase the text box length to cover the video clip. Now, from the top right side, replace the default text. You can change the text font style that you like and resize it by adding a specific value or sliding the line and make the text bold. Now scroll down to find the shadow effect and enable it. You can observe that the text is more visible. Now let's start the process to make the text reveal. Observe the object movement and set the timeline on that point. From the top right side, find the Mask tool. If you don't find this feature, don't worry, I have a solution to this problem. Right-click on the text box and click on Create Compound Clip. Now let's go to the top right side and in the Video tab, open the Mask tool. Select the horizontal tool and in the Video Preview tab, rotate it to -90 degrees and drag it to the text starting point. Then from the Mask tool, click on the diamond icon to add the keyframe. Now, move the timeline over the video clip to observe the object movement again and move the Mask tool in the Video Preview tab to the end of the text. Once you are done, let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can create a text reveal effect in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.